pretty hustlers, welcome back to the channel. So I'm here with another wig installation video. If it's your first time coming over to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Deanna Marguerite, aka Miss Pretty Hustler. I hope you will love what you see. You want to join the Pretty Hustler family, hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure that you hit that bell next to the subscribe button so that you are notified when I upload new content. So this particular unit, oh yes, and thank you so much for my returning subscribers for coming back and supporting. So this video is brought to you by WeQueen wigs. So they provide all types of sorts of wigs on their website. This braided one is one of them. I wanted to show you guys, I did do a video on a very similar wig, but this one is from a different company, so but it is a very similar wig, if not the same wig. But yes, I wanted to show you guys a glueless installation of this wig, and also some styles that you can do with your braided units. Now, one thing that I would suggest, this one is a lot you know, less expensive than other braided wigs that I have tried on my channel, but those more expensive wigs are going to give you more versatility. So just understand, it just happens with any wig. If you spend less on it, you're probably going to have less versatility, and it's going to give, you know, a little bit of a cheaper quality. So this one, I am impressed with the actual quality of the wig compared to the price of it. So I think that is a decent price for this particular braided wig. And also if you want to be more versatile with the actual styles, I feel like you definitely will need to maybe go in and crochet some braids into the back, because it is a little bit thin in the back. So yes, go ahead and watch the rest of the video. Let me know your thoughts down below. If you've received a wig similar to this, what have you done to combat the back to make sure that it's full enough, that it's not showing any spaces, things of that nature, so other people can be informed as well. So definitely leave those comments down below. The question of the day, I would go ahead and say, what is your go-to wig product that you need with every single wig that you apply? So for me, I have to have my Gots to Be spray, period. Not no Gorilla Glue spray, but we're gonna use our Got to Be spray. Okay, this is made for hair, so we're gonna use this to apply glueless methods. You guys see me use this in pretty much every video. I have to have it, or some type of hairspray adhesive, but make sure that it's made for your hair. So yes, I use this all the time on and it get me through the day. I don't wear my wigs overnight, none of that stuff, because it's just uncomfortable to me. So I like to be able to take my wig off. I just need through the day. In the winter, fall months, this is my go-to item. Summertime, it gets a little bit, we'll talk about that later. But yes, let me know what you guys go-to wig product is. Go ahead and watch to the end of the video, and I will see you in my next one probably tomorrow. I love you guys, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Stay pretty, stay hustling, and I will see y'all later. Deuces.
But we more than just friends. Oh, this is too much, too much. I know I done screwed up. Thought it was true love. You left me unplugged, so just let me go on my way. Find me in bed, move to the baseline. I'm so done with these games, I'm tired of playing. You loving that playtime, and now you feel stupid, like a idiot. I ain't giving you my heart, just feel like it back. I ain't giving you my love, I ain't giving that. I hope you okay with knowing you brought the limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down. We used to lay up every night, used to catch a little vibes, driving through the five. You know it feels right. Yeah, but what happened to this? Every other day we back at it again. Oh, you said we only friends, but baby, next minute you tell me reach the ends. Oh, This is too much. This is too much to handle. I've had enough. I just need time for them. I feel stupid, like an idiot. I ain't giving you my heart, just feel like it back. I ain't giving you my love, I ain't giving that. I hope you okay with knowing you broke the limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down. You have to make up your mind, 'cause time after time you don't know what you want inside. And I'm getting so tired of trying and trying when you haven't made up your mind. I had to let go, let go. I hope you ain't upset, oh, sad, oh. I treated you so special, special. I really had to get gone, get gone. And even though I don't know what's in store, I know that I still want something more. And I feel stupid, like an idiot. I ain't giving you my heart, just feel like it back. I ain't giving you my love, I ain't giving that. I hope you okay with knowing you brought the limit down. The limit down, 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 the limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. Limit down, limit down. Limit down.
Cavalier.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I see you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. And you gotta feel me. And I would love you good. Just wanna be your girl. All alone at night, I harbor feelings in my pillow tight. Sometimes I even myself, imagining your pleasure, baby. Next time I see you, I'm gonna walk right up to you and say what's on my mind. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. Wonder if you even notice me. And you gotta feel me. And I would love you good. Just wanna be your girl. I wonder if you even notice me. And ooh, you gotta feel me. I would love you good. Just wanna be your girl. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. Would love you good. Just wanna be your girl. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. Would love you good. Just wanna be your girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but to be my world. I even dream of you.
Cavalier.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I see you all around my way. Been needing to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just